Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe to the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this absolutely free done tool. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Anyway, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's jump straight into the video where I'll explain everything. Let's get the celebration started, shall we? I'm now on Fiverr.com as you can see, and we won't be using this platform to get paid or sell anything on Fiverr.com in the future. Don't worry about that. Let's get that out of the way right now because I know you guys hate Fiverr because it's competitive and we won't be using it as Sutra. Instead, I'd want to show you something. But first, let me briefly explain what Fiverr is for those of you who haven't heard about it. So, Fiverr is a freelancing site where you may come as a freelancer like myself and supply a variety of services, or come as a consumer looking for a task or service. As you can see, the huge variety of services available on Fiverr allows you to rapidly find whatever you require. Whether it's a translator, a graphic designer, a video editor, or anything else. But don't worry, you won't have to pay anything and you won't be selling anything if you use Fiverr. As I previously indicated, I'd want to show you something. If you hover your cursor over video and animation right here, then choose intros and outros, you'll see thousands of freelancers selling their services, all of whom have made literally staggering sums of money by generating intros and outros. This person has over 300 reviews and is asking for $100 for an intro or outro at the absolute least. So even if every one of the reviews bought the cheapest plan, we're still talking about a profit of more than $20,000, and I can promise you that it's far more. There are two reasons for this. To begin with, while acquiring services, the majority of customers do not leave reviews, and not everyone opts for the cheapest alternative. This individual is not an outlier. Here's another wonderful example. We have over 600 reviews and the cheapest bundle is only $35, which is significantly less than the previous example. If you continue to multiply $35 by 600 reviews, you will have produced no less than $20,000, just like the previous men. As you can see, while writing intros and outros is a very profitable profession for these people, they make over $20,000 every time they do it. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. These are just two of over 10,000 examples and they show that you can make a lot of money in this industry. But how can you do this if you have no idea how to write an intro or outro, or if you're a complete rookie with no skills or past experience making money online? Stay tuned and keep an eye out for it since it includes a tool that will essentially produce an intro for you and perform all of the work for you, allowing you to earn this much money with very little effort. Now, before I show you the application that will do all the work for you, you must first go to PeoplePerHour.com, a freelancing network similar to Fiverr but with significantly less competition. So if you start a gig, you'll have problems attracting customers until you get a few good reviews, after which everything will be okay. Another great feature is the opportunity to look for people who need to be introduced. You can do so by visiting to the search page and then looking for projects on the following page. All you have to do is type in the job title, which is intro and outro in this case. As you can see, the number of people prepared to pay such a vast sum of money is endless. This is a terrific feature since it prevents you from creating a gig and then doing nothing until your customers arrive. You can genuinely beat people for leaps every hour, making it an excellent alternative for Fiverr. In this case, you must first establish a new account by clicking sign up in the upper right corner before you can create your gig or bid on any offers. Only after that will you be able to start making money with this website. So bear in mind what you want to do next is, as I indicated a second ago, set up a gig, and when a customer contacts you or you want to find someone yourself, you want to go to the website I mentioned earlier. They'll take care of everything and give you the chance to earn hundreds of dollars. InVideo.io is the website in question, and it's the same platform that you've undoubtedly seen in a number of my previous videos. But for those of you who are new with InVideo, it is a website that, as I stated right here, allows you to create professional videos in under 5 minutes. More importantly for us, the 4,000 plus templates may be used to create intros and outros. This website has a lot to offer, including pre-made themes that you may reuse, which is perhaps the platform's most useful feature. I'm also disclosing it to you now because it comes with a free trial, a 7-day free trial to be exact. This implies that when a customer contacts you, you can simply go to InVideo here. Join up for a free trial, make an intro in a few minutes, email it back to your customer, and get paid. And then reinvest that money into this website so you can utilize it in the future. To put it another way, the free trial means you won't have to spend anything upfront. In addition, as you can see, the paid plans aren't excessively expensive. The most expensive one is $360 per year. Meanwhile, if you charge $50 each introduction, which isn't outrageous, 10 customers would net you over $5,000, which is already $50 more than the cost of the referral. This site isn't too expensive, and it will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars for a tiny investment with little to no effort. To make an introduction, simply click sign up in the upper right corner and fill up all of your information, or join up using Google or Facebook. If you create an intro in this manner, you will end up with something like this. Simply type intro into the search area to get hundreds of templates that have already been produced for you, all of which may modify based on your preferences and your client's demands. If you're looking for a gaming introduction, you'll find one right here. If you required a more expensive e-commerce introduction, you can get it right here. When you find an intro that you like among all of these that you can choose from and click on, all you have to do is click on it. Use this template down below to be transported to the editor, and it's in the editor where you can basically alter everything. You can do anything you want with this platform. As you can see on the left hand side, you can change the music if you don't like it, you can change the text, you can add a new scene, you can remove existing ones, you can change the length of individual scenes. There's literally nothing you can't do. It's entirely customizable and user-friendly. You've selected a terrific feature if you don't like the opening. I also like that you can change the template directly in the editor by clicking on templates and then selecting something else that better fits your needs. When you're happy with your intro, click the export button in the upper right corner to send it to your customer, and then repeat the process. Obviously, you'll want to put in some extra effort here to make the introduction as good as possible. With the help of this video, you'll be able to create an intro in 15 to 20 minutes. Even if you're a perfectionist, you can now make hundreds of dollars doing something that used to take hours and hours to complete. Nonetheless, I didn't go into great detail with you because of two factors. The first is because InVideo offers tutorials, and the second is that I don't want my video to be too long. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next video.